Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about a DD15 engine. Of course, I work on so many DD15 engines, and a very special one, cylinder head problem, which happens a lot with DD15. Take a look at the problem. How that happened? Well, I mean, like it starts somewhere. So, well, I mean, okay, if you have a DD15 engine, regardless of the year, regardless of the model of truck that engine is, could be a Cascadia, could be a Western Star, it could be a bus or wherever where the engine is installed, you're going to start experiencing these sounds. If your engine is making a sound like the one you could hear, you might have problems with your cylinder head. But before you do any type of repair of your cylinder head, the first thing you have to do is do a tune-up, a valve adjustment. The valve adjustment is the one that is going to determine how bad or how good the adjustment of each individual cylinder valve is. And if there is a problem with one of them or all of them, the adjustment is going to be tight, which means then there is not going to be enough plate between the cylinder valve and the adjuster. They're going to be tight, like there is no type of clearance. Of course, there has to be like a specific amount of clearance, and that is what you do when you do the valve adjustment. You set the clearance back to factory spec. If you start hearing this sound after a valve adjustment, and then within a month, 2 months, 3 months, that problem's come back, replace the cylinder head. Don't waste any time. Do it right away. If you don't do so, this problem is going to appear. And this problem is going to destroy other components. Because if the cylinder head valve drops inside the piston is going to suffer a big damage, and the piston is going to break. The cylinder lining is going to break, which means that you have to do a full overhaul. But if the problem is just the adjustment, getting out of adjustment of the cylinder valve, it's easy. You can just replace the cylinder head and call it a day. That is the reason why it's very important to pay attention to the problems the engine is giving you. So as I said before, you have this sound, and you did a valve adjustment, and then the truck goes on a trip, in another trip, and continues on going in different trips, and the sound eventually comes back. Don't waste any time. Replace the cylinder head. I know it's expensive. A cylinder head, depending where you buy it, a factory spec cylinder head from the dealer, is going to have an average price. It's not going to have the price I'm telling you. Remember that my prices then I'm giving you right now doesn't mean that those are the dealer prices. So I don't want you to go there, oh, I say this. No. Every price varies, but you know, it's a middle point, something like that. So that price for a cylinder head is going to be around like $4,000, $5,000, something like that. So it could be less, it could be more. So that middle point. So, but I'm talking about factory spec. So you go to the dealer, buy the OEM cylinder head, and install. But you can also buy the cylinder head from different sources. There are different companies that sell cylinder heads, new or rebuilt. So the prices are going to vary depending on the location, depending where this product is, and depending of the taxes and some other things, you know, like country, and all that. So the prices are going to vary for many different factors. But at the end of the day, replacing the cylinder head is going to avoid the problem. And that is not going to be cheap, I will say that, because the labor also needs to be included on the price of the head. But it's going to avoid a major problem, because cylinder heads on DD15 engines have the similar problem. This is not a problem that happens to one DD15. It's a common problem, and including DD13 engines, the same problem. It happens over the time, and you have to remember that these trucks are exposed to high amounts of fatigue. If you happen to have a DD15 engine, then you have a valve adjustment problem. You adjusted the valve just 6 months ago, and now you have the same problem. Don't do that again. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. Don't pay me, I would say, for another valve adjustment. Just do the whole cylinder head job, and that will save you money, time. Well, I mean, it's not gonna save you money immediately, but what I mean money is like you have to pay me another $400 for a valve adjustment, right? And those $400 you can use it to pay the labor to replace the whole cylinder head, and that's what I mean. So just wanted to do a video about it, because it's been happening a lot with these DD15 engines. I have so many cylinder heads here and there, and coming one after another, and they all have similar problems. And one of it can be in cylinder number 1, the other one can be in cylinder number 2, the other can be cylinder number 3, and continue on moving on cylinders. Well, I mean, that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to give you information about this specific problem, and just to keep yourself focused, and you know, pay attention whenever you hear the problem from happening, and if it's happening, just do the job. That way you can save some money. So if you have any questions, comment below. If you want to come to the shop, 8215 Beach Avenue, the address of the shop, or you can Google me, Franciscoamaya, and you want to find me. Franciscoamaya Mechanics, CCF Fleet Services, many ways, or on the description of the video I have how to come here. So well, I mean, I hope you liked the video, and if there is anything else you want me to talk about, comment below. I always do like videos talking about specific topics, so just be sure to stay tuned so you can see in the next like video, and be sure to vote. So on my community page I have usually a little poll where I said what are the videos they are going to do, and if you like one of the videos, you can, you know, like support that video, so that way I can do that video with a topic. So thank you for watching, and see you whenever I do the next video.